What is observability? Observability is the ability to understand the state of an application or IT infrastructure, such as operational, failure, maintenance and deployment, security and failure recovery, based on the logs, metrics, and traces it generates. It helps monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize applications and IT infrastructure components. How is observability different from monitoring? Monitoring tells you when something is wrong, while observability helps you understand why it's happening. Let's do a quick comparison between monitoring and observability. Monitoring tracks predefined system metrics, logs, and alerts for known failures. Observability uses metrics, logs, and traces to dynamically identify failures in a system. Monitoring is reactive and is focused on detecting known failures. Observability can be both reactive and proactive, helps in diagnosing unknown issues, acts before an issue occurs. Monitoring is focused on specific components like CPU, memory, and network. Observability has end-to-end visibility into complex or distributed systems. The monitoring uses mostly threshold-based alerting with limited intelligence. Observability can leverage AI-driven insights for anomaly detection and self-healing. Let's look how observability works. Instrumentation. This is how the metrics, logs, and traces are collected from the application and infrastructure. The collected data is shipped to a centralized location, organized and correlated. The process of collecting metrics, logs, and traces in centralized locations and organizing is referred to as log aggregation. The term log aggregation, even though it specifies only logs, it includes metrics, traces, and logs. Alerts are then created based on thresholds, conditions, patterns, or an anomaly. Alert destinations are then configured. Alerts can be sent as email to Slack, Teams, or Discord using webhooks, to PagerDuty or OpsGenie for on-call notifications, or to incident management tools like ServiceNow. Metrics, traces, and logs are presented visually on a dashboard. The dashboard helps different teams like the IT operations to identify issues, application latency, and take reactive and proactive steps. DevOps and SRE can use the dashboard to monitor health of IT infrastructure, detect latency and error rates. Developer can use it for monitoring application performance, tracing and debugging. Security team can use it, check for compliance, detect any intrusions, and check firewall logs. Product managers, customer experience teams can use the dashboard for checking any SLAs has been breached, user experience, and others. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.